The story is a fairy tale that talks about the specific place on the border between Slovenia and Italy in the mid-20th century, and it basically tells a story about the community that disappears, dissolves, that is threatened in a way. The genesis of my role in it has to do with my creative relationship with the director of the film, Gregor Božič. We know each other since forever, and we studied together at the Ljubljana Cinema and Theatre School. We kind of understood that there is a potential of working together. It was a collaborative action, I would say. And then again, it wasn't just us. There were so many other people, mostly young artists, that were involved, and this circle kind of grew into a really international collaboration. And yeah, from this time point now, when I look back at it, I'm really amazed what kind of people we managed to bring together. The support of Creative Europe was incredible, and it really changed how we managed to work on the material. We started thinking about the film, I think, more than 10 years ago. So it was a really long process. The financial support that we managed to get from the national financiers would never be enough to really go in such a depth. At some point when we had the script ready, we applied for the media support and we got it, and that exact moment, I think, crucially changed the path of the development, because at that point we managed to say, okay, right now we still have some time to do another round of creative investigation, to do another round of production, looking for production partners or other creative partners. And without this financial support at that crucial point, we would not, I think, be able to do that part of the development. And I'm certain the film would look different. It would have a different depth to it. So I always say that moment was really, it kind of changed the capacity of our production in a very significant way. Yeah. The film came out in September of 2019, which was just, I'd say, half a year before everything went to a global lockdown. The film went on to a very nice international tour to, I would say, all the continents, in the States, in Latin America, all around Europe. It was shown in Japan in a very nice festival. It won an award there. The film was lucky enough to find its way to the world.